Ravi was a young man from a small town. His life was simple, but his dreams were big. Every day he woke up early and went to work. He worked hard, but still felt something was missing in his life. Ravi wanted three things. First, he wanted to speak English confidently. Second, he wanted to save money. And third, he wanted to become successful and respected. But Ravi had many fears. He thought, my English is weak, I don't earn much money, and I'm not talented like others. Because of these thoughts, Ravi always delayed his dreams. He said, I will start tomorrow, I will start next month, I will start when my life become better. But days passed, months passed, nothing changed. One evening, Ravi was sitting alone in a park. He looked tired and sad. An old man was sitting on a bench near him. The old man looked calm and wise. The old man asked softly, son, why do you look so worried? Ravi hesitated, but then he spoke honestly. I want to change my life. I want to speak English, save money, and grow. But everything feels difficult. The old man smiled kindly and he said, do you see that big tree in front of us? Ravi nodded. The old man continued and said, that tree was once a small seed. It didn't grow in one day, it grew slowly, one day at a time. Ravi listened carefully to the old man. Old man said, people fail not because dreams are big, but because they try to do everything at once. Big success is not made in one day, it is made by small steps every day. That night, Ravi thought deeply about those words, and in the next morning, Ravi decided to change slowly. He didn't make any big promises, he made small rules. The first rules he made, he would speak one English sentence every day, even if it is wrong. The second rule, he would save a small amount of money every day, even coins are okay. The third rule, he would watch one motivational or learning video every day. The first week was hard. When Rabi spoke English, people laughed on him. When he saved money, it felt too small to matter. Sometimes he felt like quitting, but Ravi remembered the old man's word, small steps every day. So he continued. After 1 month, something changed. Ravi could speak short English sentences without fear. His savings were small, but they were real. His mind became more positive. After 6 months, Ravi noticed a big difference. He could speak English with confidence at work. He understood how to manage his money. He stopped wasting money on useless things. People started respecting him. 1 year later, Ravi looked at himself in the mirror and he smiled. He was not rich, he was not perfect, but he was disciplined, he was confident, and he was growing. Ravi understood one powerful truth: success is not about speed, success is about consistency. If you take one small step every day, your life will change. Not tomorrow, not next year, but start today. Your life can change with one decision. Take one small step today. Your future is waiting for you.